Can I use my USB headset for both game audio and chat on the Xbox Series X?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to be discussing a question that's on the minds of many Xbox Series X users. Can I use my USB headset for both game audio and chat on the Xbox Series X? Let's dive in to find out.
Can Xbox Series X support USB headsets?
First, let's tackle the heart of the matter. Does the Xbox Series X support USB headsets? The answer, sadly, is not straightforward. While Microsoft has made significant strides in ensuring compatibility with various types of hardware, as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, Xbox Series X doesn't natively support USB headsets for game audio and chat. But don't worry, we have some potential workarounds.
What's the alternative?
Although the Xbox Series X doesn't natively support USB headsets, there are alternative ways to get your USB headset to work. The best solution is to use a USB to 3.5mm adapter or converter. You can plug your USB headset into the adapter, then plug the 3.5mm end into the controller. This allows you to use your headset for both game audio and chat. Remember, though, that not all adapters may work, so it may be a bit of trial and error.
Is a wireless headset an option?
If you're not interested in dealing with adapters and potential compatibility issues, a wireless headset designed specifically for Xbox might be your best bet. Microsoft's proprietary wireless protocol ensures seamless integration with your Xbox Series X for both game audio and chat. While we can't directly use a USB headset for both game audio and chat on Xbox Series X, we can find ways around this limitation with the help of a USB to 3.5mm adapter or by opting for a dedicated Xbox wireless headset. We hope you found this information useful and that it helps enhance your Xbox gaming experience. Happy gaming!